future.
Many people may be thinking, I don't want to think about long-term care because of the cost.
Yeah.
The question, who pays for it? Is it insurance, Medicare, Medicaid? What is that?
Yeah, it's not cheap. And if you look at the rate of inflation has been about 2.5% to 3% over the last 20 years. The cost of healthcare has increased at twice the cost of inflation. We see long-term care and healthcare costs rise 5 to 6% per year, which is staggering. Well, who's paying for it? I mean, Medicaid really covers a lot. So I think that last time I looked at the budget, roughly $80 billion a year is covered by Medicaid, which is a big number. Medicare covers about half that, so $90 billion Medicare covers. But then you've got other things like the VA. If you served our country and you get full benefits, the VA is about $25 to $30 billion they're spending. So the government is in it quite a bit. But there's also just the consumers out of pocket. $65 billion a year is spent by Americans every year on long-term care and healthcare services. That number continues to go up. You also have private insurance companies, somewhere between 25 and 30 billion. So a lot of Americans rely on the government to get them through, but the government generally wants you to deplete all of your assets. Medicaid will not cover long-term care expenses if you have other sources of money or wealth. So I always say to my clients, you don't want to be in a position to depend on Medicaid. Yeah, that's great that the government will do that, but you want to make sure that you are empowered and you're in control of your own health care, which is why having a plan to cover these expenses is so important.